Mm. Mm. Perfect. Uh-oh. Petty Roosevelt's at full bolt-on garage. What do y'all think's about to happen? Woo! God, them shits look sick as a motherfucker, man. All right, guys, so this is why we literally need to get a shop for full bolt-on garage. Because this, I'm gonna be honest, like, it's not bad right now. It's starting to get to fall. But this dude be in there in like fucking August and doing this shit? Negative, bro.
Like 3 pounds.
Yeah, my man is out here sweating all the water weight. It's gone. Oh. Jesus. And what drives me nuts is they make you take like all of this shit apart just to get to the headlight. Like,
Super annoying. They could have just put it up here.
right, it made it easy to fucking get to, but they put it under the headlight. Like, what the fuck?
Maybe I did forget just a little bit.
Oh. This shit was like hand tightened. It wasn't even like tight at all, which means like they would have fucked around and it would have got moisture or something else in it.
Oh, the truth. Did they actually fix? Look at that tube. It's black. Let's see if the module is still good.
Hope so. Can it go bad from sitting on that black tube?
Yes. Module is bad.
The module was bad, and they just replaced the damn thing. That's ridiculous.
Ridiculous, man. So all that excess black mark just has to be dremeled out.
All right.
And now we have to call the doctor to do that. Hey, yo, doc. We need your engineering skills. Yes, I can. Yes, I can, man.
some of them AliExpress shits.
Can you put the lights on? Yeah, you can use it.
Fucking surgery and shit.
There's still more here.
Yeah, on the corner, you just gotta touch that tip. It might snap off, but it's okay. Yep, that's okay. Yeah.
Oh, beast mode now. Now my shit doesn't look like I can afford to have the car. You know that motherfuckers that be driving them around, shit be jacked the fuck up. They be like, but this, whoo, that's what I'm talking about. That'll work. Boom. Oh boy.
First time I was like bagging it and riding it, and I did it 17 times now.
Now it's like you got the hang of it. You know what goes where.
But I never can tell the right size.
Oh, like eyeballing the size for the nut. I can never do that.
There's a day where you just get them all right. And
Yep.
There's one where good luck.
Yeah.
Sometimes you need 17 hands.
Right? That was the biggest thing I think I got when people saw when you did the shutters on the car. They were just like, how is he able to do that shit? I was like, you learn, you have to compensate. You got to work with what you got.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
You know, that's it. What are you looking for, the plastic fastener?
That's actually the right one that goes there.
Just has shit sitting around, I'm done.
Brandon.
Yo!
Alright, next. Gotta put the bumpers back on.
Yep. So, my brother was in here digging around and we found that they Mickey Moused my bumper at the body shop. So that's fun times. We found that it had like they had glued, I guess they ripped the bumper off and broke the tabs, and what did they do? They hot glue gunned this shit together. Fun times. Was the thing tripping?
Huh?
The air dam tripping?
Yeah, it's gotta put.
Sweet. And now, guys, we are, for the most part, back to normal. That side you can see, and over here, instead of seeing that dingy ass yellow light, now it comes out and it's white. Considering how burnt that fucking shit was, that's amazing. And now my car does not look like it's, you know, that I'm rolling around here with a BMW with food stamps, you know. Shout out to all the people that are rolling a BMW with food stamps. So, I mean, hey, fuck it. I guess you got to pay for them parts somehow. All right, guys, it's hot. I need to give a major shout out and a major thank you to my brother Amir and Full Bolt-On Garage. If you don't subscribe to his YouTube channel yet, go do it. If you're a BMW enthusiast like me, he also has invaluable tools that you can follow, tutorials, guides. Wow, I'm sweating like a pig. All that stuff on Facebook as well. Just look up Full Bolt-On Garage on Facebook. There's also the G30 USA Facebook group. Highly recommend you join that as well if you have one of these cars. But that repair that you just witnessed there saves me about $4,500 for something that took, like the actual repair itself, 10 minutes. Crazy. BMW really needs to get on top of their shit with this. There's a TSP on this. This should be a thing that the company remedies or is rectifying. I know they've LCI'd now and the new ones don't have that issue, but you know, expecting your customers to pay $4 grand for a whole new assembly when you know that there's, you know, before you do that, you should at least try to do this repair method, which is dremeling that burn stuff out. And is it perfect? No, it's not gonna be perfect. You know what I'm saying? Unfortunately, it just is what it is, man. But it looks a million times better than it did. You know what I'm saying? Like, to have the light be white and not that yellow, it's yellow color. Awesome. So now we'll figure out the air conditioning situation with, I guess, CarMax. It's going back. And we'll go from there. But again, major shout out to Full Bolt-On Garage for inviting me into their home and taking care of my baby, man. So with that said, I want to thank you guys very much for watching. Different type of video. Stay tuned. I'm actually watching them manufacture and put their own merch together. Kind of cool. They will be dropping that stuff soon. Go support the channel. Go support his YouTube channel. Like, I can't stress that enough. Go support the YouTube channel. Anyways, that's gonna do it for me. Thank you guys very much for watching. I truly appreciate it. Thank again to Full Bolt-On Garage for fixing my car. And I think it's time that we get them a shop. I do. So I'm following Amir now. I gotta be honest, those LCI taillights look really, really nice. I think I'm gonna have to get me some of those. I might just have to bite. I mean, I think they're 800 bucks, he said, so, or 850 bucks, something like that. I'm just gonna have to get them because they look so damn good. Like the turn signal, everything. I'm sold on them. I'm sold. Yes, sir. I don't know. Oh man, there goes the man, the myth, and the legend right there. My dude, full bolts-on impact, full bolt-on garage. Make sure you go follow him, man. We just got done. We hit the little Mexican spot, had a couple beers, some nachos and shit. And now we are rolling out, Beamer style. God damn it, I can hear that turbo. I need a cold air intake on this car ASAP. I just need it. I need it. And I need those LCI taillights. I know Amir gonna see this and be like, just get them shits, bro. Excuse me, sir, do you have any Grey Poupon?
I do.
Oh shit! Oh shit! There he is! Hi, bro! Oh man, there's nothing like laying on the bow of your sailboat and just laying back, looking at the sky, looking at the clouds, watching the sunset. Having a freshly fixed BMW that is reliable and great. And then, you know, just sitting here and contemplating all of the stress and drama that the haters must be having right now while I'm just looking at